Hi, my name is Favor. You're welcome to my channel. Today's video we are going to do simple profile card using Figma.
Watch me as I do. This is called, this tool I'm clicking here now, it's called Frame. Hope you can see it. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to draw, guys, I'm going to draw randomly, you understand? I'm not going to resize it to anything, but here on my right hand side, my cursor is going, the mouse pointer is going, these are the places to choose. Whenever you pick this called frame, then you choose the kind of thing you want to use it for: paper, social media, desktop, this, that. But I'm going to use it randomly as I draw it, guys. Watch me. Good. To just design a simple profile card. So as I drew the frame, it has become a canvas, you understand, an environment or a center of place where I'm going to do my designs. Now you watch me as I do it. Here is fill color. I'm going to use fill color. Is either I use maybe a code number, I know, I type in there, or I just choose randomly, you understand? So if I want, I can click here. I can search, but I'm going to choose the color. Just pick any color of my choice. Good. I love this color very much. Good. So now we're going to go forward, guys. Watch me. I'm going to draw a rectangle. So a rectangle where the picture will be placed. Remember, we are doing a profile card. So I'm going to rename this frame by double clicking it, profile card, and type it profile card. Good. So I'm also going to do this untitled, so that it's going to save. Remember, like I will always say that Figma automatically saves whatever thing you're doing. So I'm going to replace this with tutorial profile cards, so that it doesn't mistake to other stuffs I have here. Good. So I'm going forward. So I want this to be on white, this rectangle I drew for the picture. So because I want it to be on white, I'm going to click here, fill color, and then fill it with white. See of white here. Yes, did you see where I dragged that knot? Good. It's now white. Now my color, my brand color is blue, royal blue, and orange. So I'm going to choose orange. Don't worry, guys, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to choose color code, but we will do that next time. So in another video we are going to do that. I've choose okay, guys, I don't want the fill color to be, I just want the stroke. You can call it outline, but Figma calls it stroke. So I want the stroke, the outline, to be orange. So guys, watch me as I choose the orange color of my type. Good. I love it, but you're not seeing it very well, I know. So I'm going to help you. So if you click, you just click outside, the thing will just show, it's just there. So I'm going to add the stroke number, so that it comes out. So let's choose 5. Good. I think it's coming out. Hope you can see it. Good. So I'm going to do it. See. Good. Let me zoom so that you can see. Hope you can see very well. So let me then look for picture and put in, look for picture and name. So let me type name. I'm going to type name. Let me just choose a name by using this T there and type name. What's the name of the person I'm going to use? Let me use Cherry David. Good. So whatever thing you want to use, what's your name? You know your name, so I'm not the one to tell you your name. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to use my name. I just want you to understand how it goes. It's very simple. So now, guys, it's time to do the fill color. So I've just typed the name. So the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose my font. If I want it to be bold, is a name. See, and when I'll be teaching you typography, I'll tell you how to make name you know, so that fonts, or rather text. So the text now that I've just typed, I want to increase it to 14 or 18 rather. Good. So don't worry guys, change the color. It's not going to be black as you're seeing it. So whatever thing you do, Figma is showing you the red line you can see on that thing, is showing you whether it is centralized or not. So let's check whether this one is centralized or not. Have you seen it? Yes, it has showed me when the center is supposed to be. Okay, now let's put this back small. Good. Color. Good. I'm going to choose white, so that white will bring it out. I hope you can see it. Powerful. So you can just duplicate this. Good. You can just do Ctrl D. You don't, if you call it Command D or Ctrl D, they serve the same thing. You hold down your Ctrl key and then you press D at the same time before leaving your hand. It does what? It duplicates. Now we are going to make this one smaller. Remember the number, the text font, the text number was higher the other time. Now we are going to make it reduce, because the main thing we want to look at is the name. Now this one have to reduce, maybe 12 points. Good. So I'm going to centralize it guys, do not worry. So let me put my portfolio, or the person's portfolio rather. So graphic designer. Good. It doesn't matter, you can put the name of the place you do work. Maybe you put the name of your company, and then you just say CEO at Fem Creative Digital, you know, that kind of thing. So we are choosing this color guys for it, so that it will blend. Good. It looks nice. Yeah, it does. Okay, so you go ahead. The next thing is you do Ctrl D again, duplicate it, and then you put your phone number if you want it. You get something that Figma does. It shows you when you are getting it or not. In place of the spacing, you know, when you're duplicating, it shows a red line. So let's just do +2340000. Let's just use it that way, okay, for the purpose of this tutorial. Good. The next thing we're going to do is you're going to make it, I want it to be white. So guys, watch me as I choose white color of white. Good. White rather. So now whatever thing you want, that's okay by you. So we are just doing a simple profile card. You see, it's very simple. You can choose to put this in a box. There's no big deal about it. You can choose to blend, you know, to curve it. You can come here and curve it. Let's do like 10 curving. Good. Have you seen it curve? Good. Now I can just choose to make it plain white. Let it open so that the right top will then come out. So see what happens now. The box I drew, or the rectangle, is now up, the right top is down. Now come to the left as my mouse is moving. You see the text where I put the phone number, so I have to drag it up for it to come out. Then it has, but because it's white in color, you cannot see it. So let's change it to black, right? Let's change it. Let me change it to black. So okay guys, we've just finished that. The next thing we're going to do is to add media. You click on the icon of Figma, go to file, then you say place an image. That is done. You are bringing in an icon. These are already downloaded icons, so you have to always make, don't mind, I'm going to make them good as I'm dropping them. You always have to have your icons ready, so that when you're designing, you get them. So I want the size to be equal. So this one is 48. Let me say 48. Okay, I hope you see it. So I'm going to make this the same 48. Good. The same goes here. 48. I hope you can see it. Now in this my Slack icon, the same 48. Good. So I have to bring them inside. Remember, it's not just putting an icon, you need to put what it represents so that people seeing it will understand. So let me curve the edge of this rectangle I drew here. Let me curve the edge. Let me just make it 5 or 5. Good. So I want to choose white. Okay, I want to choose white here. Don't mind me, I'm coming. I want to choose white here. So guys, remember we are doing a simple profile. Okay, did you see I've just centralized 1777? I hope you can see the work is now centralized. It wasn't at the first time, so I have to centralize it. Here is my logo icon. So have you seen that it's far bigger than what we want to do? So let me do 2020 and see if that works. Yeah, it does. So I'm putting my Facebook icon, centralizing it. Good. I'll have to duplicate this white rectangle I drew here by doing Control or Command R, so it comes. Good. So I'm going to take LinkedIn logo and LinkedIn icon. So I'm going to do 20 by size, 2020, that it works. Okay, good. Sorry, good. It does. I want to make sure it's fitting. Alignment is very important when you're doing your design. It shows that you know what you're doing. Good, I've done that. I equally want to duplicate this by doing Control D. I mean the white 99. Let me do again. I'm doing Control D one more time so that we get what we want. Don't worry guys, I'm going to push all of them upwards so that they can enter very well. Good. So here we go. I'm going to put this Slack at the end. Let me put 20. Good. So the same applies here. 2020. Don't worry, I'm going to align it. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. But let me align it here. It's a very simple profile card. Good. So guys, I want to import the picture. It seems this stroke needs to come out well, so then good, so that it will be seen. Let me import the picture. Is either you click here, is either you click here and do place image, or you go here and say file, place image. So I download. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I make new videos. Good. Let me bring the woman a picture of a person here. As this thing is, I'll just click on fill color here, and I'll go over here and say image. Undo. So I'm redoing it with not the stroke but the fill color. So here the fill color, I'm clicking image. So I'm choosing image by clicking here as well. So let's choose this image, guys. I'm choosing this. good, it automatically fixes itself. Good. I hope you understand. So when doing a profile card, use a picture that shows your face. It's very, very important. So guys, I want to do something here. I want to type in let me do Ctrl D and copy this text and place it here. So I'm going to drag it in front of the rectangle so it shows. I hope you see it. So let me type Cherry David is there. So let me say Cherry David okay, yeah, Facebook Cherry David. Good, that's what you find Cherry David with on Facebook. Now I'm going to Ctrl D again. I've just done it and copied, and LinkedIn Cherry David. But if it is not Cherry David, you can change it to whatever you're using on LinkedIn. For instance, Cherry. It depends. Now on Instagram, let me duplicate. Sorry, I did not duplicate. I'm duplicating now. Ctrl D or Command D on your keyboard. Good. So I'm doing let's change this to Cherry Lean. Good. It depends on what that person is using on each of the social media handle. And then this one has to be Slack. Most especially this Slack is for business collaboration in office or business wise, or in a learning platform. So it's sometimes they use nickname, but it's usually the real name. You understand? So we'll write Cherry David. Good. But it all depends on what you want, guys. So I want to cut out these shapes that I've done. I mean the white shapes. So I want to duplicate that of Facebook white shape. I mean the rectangle I drew. So I'm doing Ctrl or Command D. Now I want to cut some part of it out. See, so let me drag inside, change the curve. Don't worry, I want to split the curve by clicking here. You see it? So I want the first curve to give me 10, or do I say 20? 20 is way big. Okay, it's not that bad. So I want to change this one by shifting it this way. That's what I want, and then split it. Okay, and do the last one. I think 22. I mean 20, the same 20. That's 20. Good, that's what I want. So guys, we are going to change all of this to that. Watch me. So but I want to make this one will be that orange. Good, you choose whatever you want, don't mind me. Okay, so then I'm going to Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D again, Ctrl D. Did you see what it's doing? It's placing it by itself. So but you see this one is going to be white, don't mind me, I'm doing it randomly, and this one is going to be orange. Okay, so this one is going to be orange too. Do what pleases you, guys. I'm just showing you how to do profile card on Figma. Okay, so good. Assuming you're okay with this color, you're good to go. But for me, I prefer all of them white. I mean these ones that has the icon. Good, prefer all of them white, and the other ones can just change. and be as they are. Guys, I don't know if you see what I'm seeing. Our profile card have another look now. So but I need to curve the edge of the last rectangle I drew, as this place is curved. As you can see, my mouse pointer, I want the end of this particular place to curve too. So guys, watch me. Let's see how it goes. No, it didn't give me what I want. So let's see if this is what will give us what we want. Wow, this is actually 2 here. Why not? Okay, I'm going to delete one. Guys. Let me delete. Okay, so I'll put 20 here. Let's see. Good, exactly what I want. 20 also. Have you seen what I'm seeing? Guys, you can see it. 20. This is how to do a simple profile card using Figma. So guys, I don't know what you think, but please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, I want to reduce all of that. Don't worry, I'll come to the don't worry. I'm changing it to 8. Let's see, or 10. Not that it won't enter, I just have to drag it so that it enters. Hope you've seen it. Drag. Good. Drag. Okay. It has all entered. So guys, I hope you can see. You can put every of your portfolios after writing your name or typing your name. So this is a simple profile card using Figma. Alright guys, I've done my own. So if I want to save it, I can do export by simply clicking on profile card here, and I come down and do export. So I choose the way I want the pictures to be. If I want the pictures to be PNG, I choose and I say export. I can just do preview first. It previews how it's going to look, it shows me, and I do what export, and automatically comes into my file, as you can see. Good. So that is it guys. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification so you get notified each time I make new videos and better designs than these. Bye. Thank you for watching.